I was printing something late last night and I realized I really wanted it to be finished 10 minutes earlier. That got me thinking, how much quality are we actually sacrificing when we push the Bambu Lab A1 Mini to the limit? Today we are comparing the Silent mode against the Ludicrous mode. I have a confession to make. I've been a bit of a bad 3D printer until now. I've actually never printed a Benchy, but today was the perfect opportunity. I'm using 2 identical sliced files, some budget-friendly PLA, and a freshly washed texture PE plate. The only variable, the speed slider on the printer. Normally, I run everything at 100% speed, but since my son sleeps in the room directly below my office, I often toggle down to 50% silent mode in the evenings. The difference in vibration and noise is massive. At 166% Ludicrous mode, the printer sounds like a jet engine in comparison. Not exactly ideal for the late night print session. I'm honestly surprised by the results. Using my custom printed photo box to get these shots, you can see how close they actually are. While 100% speed or 50 might be safer for the mechanical parts and maybe the strength of the print, for anything where looks are key, Ludicrous mode is surprisingly capable. I'll probably stick to 100% for most daily tasks to save some wear and tear on the machine, but it's great to know the speed is there if I'm in a rush to finish a project. So, what do you think? Can you spot any major flaws in the high-speed print? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quick test, please hit that like button and subscribe to Filament and Layers for more 3D printing experiments and videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.